got
We
you.
don't know how to unblock each other.
We got you.
And you black
Yeah, people, you don't know. It's a boy Gryzzly Bear. I'm there with another one. So, after the storm, there must be a calm. Must. Yeah, man, things have to calm down no matter how the storm a blow and the breeze a go on and the rain a fall and the place a wet up and the tree them a drop down and everything a go on in your life. We just not good. We just not seems right. Yeah, and people. Yeah, your family. Yeah, your girlfriend. All sort of something. No matter what, it can't last forever. So, them two people here are two iconic individual in the world within entertainment. Yes, and RVM are bringing it right as exclusive. So Angel and the Spice. Angel and Spice. Yes, that's Spice there. You know what I mean? She's on the scene. Them did have a little feud and a little qualms and a little something. And then never a little one big thing where did that go on one night time. Them, you know what I say? You know cat fight. You see me I say beer word a fling and beer style a go on and all sort of thing are true and you know words and you know what I mean lyrical context and all sorts of things. But right now, you see me I say at the arena, yeah, right there's up on the carpet. As you can see, Spice and Angel. Look power go on.
Somebody has to go tell me how you want technical somebody. We don't understand. That's the way I said it. How you go? One bright somebody. One bright somebody. How you go? One bright somebody. How you go? Accounts. How you go? You are going to ask out of the girl.
So on the Arama red carpet, them bury the hatchet and decide say, here what? Done with this thing here. Yeah, disclose that Angel was the one who did the blocking. And them elaborating a long time for that something there. And black. Them a friend right now. Them good right now. Everything alright right now. You could have said a collaboration soon. Right now. You know, tell your people. Like, comment, and share. People, when you check out that track here, yeah? From Fearless Kid featuring Mistress, entitled Slow Down. Yeah, slow down.
Baby girl, that's right, but you do it too much. Learn to take advice and slow down. God is love, you never need no one. He told you better slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down.
Yes, my people, so as I show you, say all qualms, all, you know what I mean, bad energy, buried. So, Spice was awarded the Global Dancehall Queen of all time. Yeah, there's nobody to walk, you know what I mean, in her shoes or against her or near her because you're looking at the dancehall queen, global, recognized, you know, dancehall queen, Spice. Yes, man, at the Arana Awards. You see it? Yeah, man, she and Angel on the red carpet. I don't know, she go grab her little something and grab her bigger something. You see me and say, the acknowledgement, you know. Yeah, the amount of work we put in, yeah, trial and tribulation, the things they must go through, yeah. So you don't know enough people, RFM are bringing it exclusive in a Spice. Nice.
Are you planning on releasing a dancehall or reggae track, but frustrated it won't get the attention it deserves? Worry no more. Visit submitchoon.com and get effective and affordable promotion. We have a list of mixtape DJs, YouTubers, radio, and media personnel, bloggers, Spotify playlisters, graphic designers, and also mixing and mastering services. All you have to do is sign up at submitchoon.com and begin the journey of getting your music heard. With the help of submitchoon.com, artists are taking back their power and promoting their music directly to people who can make their dreams of success a reality. Build genuine connections as your music will be heard by fans in the genre. Sign up with submitchoon.com today and get your music heard.